After completing your package build in the wizard, you will arrive at the booking flow. The booking flow is where you review and finalize all the details of the package you have created. In this section, you can carefully check the booking summary, confirm the availability of each item, and make any adjustments needed before sending the quote to your customer or agent. Here, you also have the opportunity to select optional extras. These may include activities, services, or additional options offered by hotels. Let's choose an optional extra for the last day in Arusha. Once you expand the tab, you'll see a list of all the hotel options in the area. From there, just select your hotel and it will show you all the optional extras available. We'll go ahead and choose a lunch option for this example. Additionally, you can update key details such as the package name and the day-to-day descriptions. These descriptions are automatically generated using artificial intelligence, but you can customize them further to suit your client's needs. On the left side of the screen, you will see a list containing all the accommodation, experiences, and flights included in your package. Each item is represented by a specific icon that identifies its type. A bed icon represents accommodation. A hiker symbol represents experiences. An airplane icon represents flights. A diamond icon represents optional extras. In addition to the icons themselves, the color of the icon shows the current status of the item. Green icons mean the item is available and has been selected as part of the package. Orange icons indicate that the item is optional and has not yet been selected. Red icons show that the item is currently unavailable and not included in the booking. The pricing mode determines how pricing information is displayed to you and to your customers. If you would like to change the pricing mode or adjust the total price of the package, start by clicking the dollar symbol located at the top right corner of the screen. When you click this icon, you will see three options for how pricing is shown. Show full breakdown. This displays individual pricing details for every product in the package. Show totals only. This hides the detailed breakdown and shows only the overall total price for each product category. iFlights, hotels, experiences. Hide breakdown. This removes the individual pricing information from the view entirely and shows only a total amount for the package. In this example, we will select Show Full Breakdown to display all pricing details for each item. After making your selection, click Update. You will now see that the pricing summary on the right has been updated to show the price of each accommodation, experience, transport items, and park fees. Changing the pricing mode allows you to control exactly how much detail is visible, depending on your preferences or your customer's requirements. Once you have updated the pricing mode and reviewed the booking flow, you are ready to return to the quote. To do this, navigate back to the quote screen. where you can see a preview of the email that will be sent to your customer or agent. Because we have set the pricing mode to show full breakdown, the quote email will now include detailed pricing for every item in the itinerary. This helps ensure transparency and allows your customer to clearly understand what is included in the package. Review the quote carefully to confirm that all information, including pricing, descriptions, and any optional extras, is correct and complete. After reviewing the quote, you have the option to edit the email content before it is sent. In the quote email preview, locate the editing mode switch. When you switch editing mode on, any text that can be modified will be highlighted with a purple outline. You can click directly on these highlighted areas to make changes. For example, you might adjust or add special instructions, or personalize the message to better match your customer's expectations. Once you have completed all edits, you can proceed to send the quote email directly to your agent or customer.